Hi everybody, welcome back to Bobby's Bees, and today I wanted to share a really cool way to inspect your bees early season. And it's important that you get out to your apiary and do your inspections early season. You don't have to actually crack open the hive and do a full-on inspection and pull frames out of the hive. You really don't want to do that until it's at least 60 degrees, and here in Michigan sometimes that's well into April. So, but we do inspect our hives in different ways. We'll even crack open the hive in half, and if it looks like a hive's in trouble, we'll put the fondant or the sugar patties right over the cluster. That way they don't even have to go out onto the EEK board or the inner cover to get to the sugar. We'll use a simple recipe of 4 pounds of sugar mixed with 1 cup of water, and this is what they need to get into spring. And once there's more nectar, they can start making their honey, and they don't necessarily need this sugar. Whenever you're feeding a sugar mixture or dry sugar, they will need water. They'll have to leave the hive to go get some water, or they can even gather water from the condensation inside the hive. So what we did today was we made it out to the apiary, and we went through all our hives, and we had an idea of which hives were dead outs, because we have been sending our drone out to take a look at these bees and figure out which hives are flying, which ones are going out for their cleansing flights, which ones have torn up cappings outside the entrance. So first we'll show you the inspections and our day in the bee yard going through all the hives, and then we'll show you, stay tuned for the end, and we'll show you the 4K drone footage. Thanks for watching. Here we go.
Probably should put some on.
It's a little shot, yeah. Looks like they're eating it.
Oh man.
You know what? This one actually kind of concerns me.
Want to open it?
Yeah.
Come back here. Yeah, come back here before you get stung.
Okay. We got a dead out. Yeah, you can go ahead and set it down. It's probably light, right?
Yeah.
It's probably been robbed out.
Very light.
Yeah, this is getting robbed. Yeah, I wonder if it's got any honey in it. Doesn't look like it. Looks like it's completely empty.
Yeah.
Okay. So now these bees, they shouldn't get aggressive because this isn't their hive. So there's nothing to defend. Let's see if there's any honey. It feels like there's honey in there. Nice. Well, there's some honey to harvest. There's some honey, not a lot though. Not full frames of honey. Looks like kind of full frame. Nope. Yeah, I think this has been getting robbed out. These are all empty. Okay. All right. And we can use those for our splits because it's a bunch of frames with drawn out comb in them. That way the bees don't have to do so much work. So we found one dead out so far. That's always good when you see bees up here.
Yeah. It means that they're up in the top.
Yeah, it means they're. So Brandon's going through the yard right now, and he pops the top, adds some sugar, especially if they're eating it. And it's kind of like liquid state, so it's going to help them. Cool. That looks good. So we have one left on this wing.
They're all on top.
Looks good. And heck, we only got 4 left. just went pretty fast. Looks good. A lot of activity out here. It does concern me though because there's some cappings. But this wasn't marked with a brick up top, was it?
No.
I don't think so.
No.
A lot of activity out front too. Let me see if there's pollen coming in.
The one with the orange butts.
Roxy, are you hunting? So what we do is we go through the apiary and we always mark them if we think it doesn't look like it has a lot of activity. And why we do that is just to try to stay ahead of things, because once you're making splits and you're going through all these hives, you know, it doesn't seem like it's going to be that much work, but 20 hives at the beginning of the year turns into 40 hives. If you can try to get ahead of things and figure things out and get some frames and hives out of the way so you can concentrate on the ones that need an inspection.
Yikes. No sugar.
No sugar.
Still.
Oh, that looks like a frozen colony. Yeah, we got a dead out. It's neat. Feels like it might be heavy.
Yeah. Maybe.
Oh, it's getting robbed out, some mostly sugar.
Yep.
Okay. Oh, there's one.
Throw this back in.
Okay, I think I found one.
Okay. We'll have him keep robbing it.
I mean, one frame is 2 quarts.
Oh yeah.
What the other side?
Looks so good.
It's all capped. I'll probably take that one.
Looks pretty good. That.
Yeah, let's take that one.
Take it in. I'm gonna close this up.
So I hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to let me know if you have any questions or comments. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.